Mr. Chicken gonna get Silas. Mr. Chicken gonna get Silas. Mr. Chicken gonna get him. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, no. Mr. Chicken gonna get you. Bah, 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 bah. Bah, 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 bah. Oh no, giraffe. Oh no, it's a giraffe. Mr. Chicken better run. I'm gonna get you. Mr. Chicken better run. Mr. Chicken gonna run. Mr. Chicken better. Oh, the giraffe's gonna get him. Silas is gonna try and get him with the giraffe. Mr. Chicken gonna get you. I'm gonna pick you. Pick. Mr. Giraffe gonna get you down. Mr. Giraffe gonna get you. It's the giraffe. You better run away. You better run away. Silas better run away. You're gonna get it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, Silas, it's the lamb. It's the it's the goat or is it cow or something? Silas is gonna get him. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh no! And here he runs away. But Mr. Giraffe got plans for Silas. I'm gonna get him. Watch me. I'm gonna get you. What you gonna do with that blanket? What you gonna do with the blanket, Silas? Oh, you sleepy? Oh, Silas sleepy. Oh, I tired him out, y'all. Oh, there, that's okay. There, Silas. There. I'll lay down with you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Silas. Oh no! Silas has a boulder ball! A boulder ball! Oh, he stunned me. Oh, he stunned me. Oh, I'm gonna get him one more time. I'm gonna get him. Oh no, he got me. Silas got the giraffe. Oh, he has shut the door, son. Uh-oh, Silas has shut the door. What are we gonna do? There you go. Good boy. A little nice game of running around with animals. Silas likes to run around with stuffed animals. I'm gonna get you. Mr. Giraffe done got a breather now. Oh no, he's gonna shut the door on the giraffe. Let me out. I'm gonna get you, Silas. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get him, y'all. I'm gonna get him. Oh no, it's the cage. No, not the cage. He's caged. Oh. Silas has caged up the giraffe. Oh no. Silas has caged up Mr. Giraffe. Oh. Boom. That's alright. Mr. Chick is gonna come back. He's gonna swoop in. Mr. Chick swooping in. Yeah. Mr. Chick has you now. Mr. Chick has you, Silas. Oh no, he's using Giraffe against him. No. Oh, he gave me Mr. Giraffe back. Giraffe is loose. That's right. I'm gonna get him now. I don't think I can get him now. Oh. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You're not gonna make it, Silas. I'm gonna get you. get you. I'm gonna get you. No, don't shut the door. No, no. Oh. He's done it again. I'm gonna try to warn him. Oh, I'm gonna get you. No, no, no. Don't do it, Silas. No, no, no. Oh. Tune in next time when Silas tries to play more dolls. Well, it's not dolls. These are stuffed animals. Isn't that right, buddy? Say bye-bye, everyone. Say bye-bye, Silas. Bye-bye. Giraffes, I will see y'all next time. Subscribe for more adventures.